Good afternoon, friends. Today we'll start the discrete mathematics second lecture, that is logic regarding logical connectives. So we have to study today logical connectives to connect propositions or the statements. For that we will study the conjunction, disjunction, negation statements today. So out of that, first is conjunction. Conjunction is represented by the symbol and. This is the symbol for conjunction, and we also call conjunction and statement or and logical connective. Suppose we have two propositions or two statements and we have to connect that two English statement by using conjunction or and. We will take one example for it. P statement is Amar is happy, and Q statement is Amar is poor. So logical or compound statement of that is represented by P and Q symbol. So P and Q statement will be Amar is happy and Amar is poor. So we had connected these two English statements, statement P and statement Q, and form the compound statement P and Q like that. Amar is happy and Amar is poor. We can also write like this: Amar is happy and poor. That Amar is common statement, so we can also form the solution like Amar is happy and Amar is poor. So truth table for the logical connectives conjunction is, so for that we require the formal definition of conjunction. When both the input statement are true, then output statement is true, otherwise it is false. So we will draw the truth table regarding conjunction. So we'll take the truth values as P statement, Q statement, and P and Q are the attribute of this truth table. So we will form the groups of true and false like TTFF, TF, TF. Means the meaning of that combination is like when if the two statements are true, first one is true, second one is false, first one is false, second one is true, and both the input statements are false. The definition or the concept of conjunction is like that: when both the input statements are true, then output is true, otherwise it is false. So I had written false. When both the input statements are true, then only it is true, otherwise it is false, for any combination like TF, FT and FF. So this is the truth table of the conjunction or and statement. We represent by using this symbol, and English statement for a connective we will use and to connect two English statement like Amar is poor and Amar is happy. So we have taken that two statement. You can also make another statement, or you consider another statement to form this compound statement. This is the symbolical representation of P and Q compound statement for conjunction. Now we will take the second concept, that is disjunction. We consider disjunction as a. So second logical connective is disjunction. So for disjunction we will consider this symbol, that is capital V symbol, to represent it by symbolically. For disjunction, we will consider English logical connective as or. The meaning of disjunction is or in English. Suppose we will take another example. The birds are singing. And Q statement. The sun is shining. We had considered that two English statement and we will connect it by using or logical connective or by using disjunction. So we'll write that compound statement of these two statements by using or like this. P or Q. I had represented this P or Q and the compound statement will be the birds are singing or the sun is shining. Like that we had used logical connective or to connect two propositions or two statements. So truth table for this disjunction is like that. We will again consider two input statements P and Q. We have taken these two input statements and we will form the combination of true and false. 4 combination because two input statements are there. So in the form of true and false, 4 combination will be formed. Because we have the formula to make the combination 2 raised to n, where n stands for number of input statements. Here number of input statements are 2. So we'll form 4 combinations. So I had put instead of n 2 and made 4 combinations in the form of true and false. So we'll make, if we consider both the statements are true, first statement is true, second one is false, first statement is false, second one is true, and both the statements are false. So this is another method to form the truth table for the input statement, and the compound statement for disjunction is P or Q. So the formal definition of disjunction is like that: if the two statements are false, then output is false. If the two input statements are having truth value false, then output is false, otherwise it is true. So it is exactly opposite of conjunction. Disjunction is exactly opposite of conjunction. Here, when both the input statements are false, then output is false, otherwise it is true. So you can take another example as a two English statement and make the compound statement by using or statement. So till now we have studied the two concepts. First one is conjunction and second one is disjunction. So first is conjunction. For conjunction we had considered the definition is like that: when both the input statements are true, then output is true, otherwise for all combination it is false. And for disjunction, when both the input statements are false, then output is false, otherwise true for any combination of true and false. We also consider that formula to make the combination, that number of combination. Here 4 is there, that's why that 4 combinations are there of true and false. If the input statement are 3, then we will make 8 combination because cube of 2 is 8. So 8 combinations of true and false will be there. Here we had to consider 2 input statements, that's why we had made 4 combinations. So next logical connective is negation or not. So third logical connective, negation we will consider it as not in English. We will represent the negation by using symbol, or we can apply the bar on any letter, or we can apply this type of symbol on any letter. So we represent it by using the symbols. So we will consider one example. P statement. The birds are singing. So we require only one input to form the negation. So negation of P, we just add not in that statement. The birds are not singing. So this is the solution of that P statement. So we require here only one input statement or only one proposition. So truth table will be like that. P statement and the solution of that is negation of P. So here only one input statement is there. So only two combinations will be formed. One is true and second one is false. So negation of true is false and negation of false is true. So this is the logical form of that or truth table of the negation or negative statement. Next statement we will see in the next lecture. You have now today's assignment is like that. I will give you some statement and you have to form the compound statement in the assignment, which is uploaded in that video or the description of that video. You have to take the solve that assignment by using the concept which we have taken today. Thank you very much.